Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show.
Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a callaloo recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. Now see, this is freshly cut callaloo from the garden, which I'll be giving you a small footage. So guys, let's get this show started. Okay guys, I thought it was recording, so I started to cut up. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save most of the stock because I'm going to do a juice. So I'm just going to mainly use most of the leaves and a shorter part of the stalk. So I'm going to use most of it for juicing. Well, some of it for juicing. So I won't be preparing all of it for this recipe. See my pattern when I'm my little style when I'm doing it. I just roll everything together. You can see my knife is very sharp, so I gotta be watching my fingers. As I said guys, freshly grown. Always tell you guys that if you have some backyard space, you can buy your seedlings, or if you know someone that grows them, you can actually get some seeds. Just set that aside. Grab another one. I said I'm gonna make some green juice, so I'm going to use most of these stalks to make the juice. This is a lot of callaloo guys, a lot. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be near the end of the process, so you'll join me then. Okay guys, now here is the finishing product from my cutting up. My callaloo, or you guys out there normally know it as spinach in a different country. So guys, let's get this recipe started. I don't know how I'm gonna cook it yet, but let's get this show started. Hi guys, good morning again. This is the next day guys. I had to rush out for something, so I had put up the callaloo in the freezer. Now guys, I'm gonna make a breakfast recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. Just a regular breakfast. So guys, let's get this show started. Okay guys, I'm ready to add my seasoning, which is my bell peppers, tomato, you already know me and my colors. And guys, I'm gonna add a little salt to the dish. And just saute it. Get rid of some of the juices. More than probably about 2 minutes to saute, get them soft. And then you can add your callaloo to the dish. As I said, I had to put it up in the freezer, so This will just give it an easier time to steam, because it's something that is steamed. It might look a lot, guys, but as soon as it steams down, you'll see it shrink. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna cover it and give it some time to steam, and then I stir. So I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna be just mixing everything so that it's incorporated with the herbs, which is the bell pepper and the tomato. See all those color: green, red, orange, yellow. At this time I'm going to add a little black pepper, not much. Just to give it a little taste. And the saltfish already has in a little bit of salt, or the codfish as you guys know it has. So I don't need to add any salt, even though I've boiled and get rid of most of the salt. Look at that. So I'm gonna just turn down the stove and give this a few more minutes, because it's a very easy recipe. It's not long to steam callaloo, or spinach as most of you guys would call it. So I'm just gonna turn it down and give it a few minutes and prepare the rest of my stuff. Alright guys, let me check on it now. I did one last stir a while ago, so it's now ready to be shared. As I said, I was preparing my other side dish off camera. So what I want you to do now, guys, is join me at the table. Now guys, here is the finishing recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this breakfast recipe. Breadfruit, avocado, plantain, and my callaloo, or spinach as you guys would call it. Look at that. Okay guys, remember I said I would give you a shot of the callaloo outside. And there's another patch. There you go. Ready to reap.